Cold pizza on Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for that new way. I think I like it how it is. Cold pizza on Tuesday.
We're building a completely new storage bit in this alcove.
I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for a new way.
So with that took 8 minutes. Easy going when you got the tool. Right, so there's already been a change of plan. I'm going to set the entire unit in the alcove. This pipe being in the way, I've got to now step it 2 inches out, just so it gives a detail on that side next to the fireplace. This is all being boxed off, so we're going to have a door on here and then 2 doors covering that section there. And then above is going to be alcove shelves. So we're going to build a box and then put the shelves in the box, so it's all nice and square and easy for us to do. It's going to look really nice. So that's what we're doing, that's what line is. And by the way, if you're wondering why I've not got a mask on, the front doors are there, ventilation, so it's fine.
I think I like it how it is.
All the marks I'm drawing are for the top of the batten, the frame that is, not the MDF finish. Just making that clear. I'm excited about this one. It's a new style I've adopted doing this. It's actually building a frame and then putting them in. Usually what I used to do is build the carcass and then put it in. I prefer building a frame. I just find it easier for some reason. I tried it on a job before and it turned out pretty nice, but I wasn't happy with the job when I finished it. And plus there is a bit of weight going up above it, so having the frame gives it a little bit more oomph, a bit more strength. So, Emma. How do we like it, Jason? Nice inside. Come on, look at the trestle. What are you doing? Lift it up. Got that on film?
Put it back.
Jason's lost his head. Pointing which way it is to the hinge.
Oh, for the
clip. The arrow always points outwards. Let's see if it's from Howden's anyway.
Clip on one of these, aren't they?
Yeah, let's see if it's from Howden's. I don't know if they have arrows on other ones. And to the centre of the actual hinge that sits on the frame, it's 37.5mm. It's a bit of a weird size.
What if you didn't know though? Would you just be like?
I didn't know. I just used a guess. And then I just stumbled across a YouTube video and it just said, oh, they're always 37.5 inch, and I went, oh, okay. Inch? 37.5mm. And then, if you've measured it right, it should close this time. It doesn't close.
My shoestrings untied, I'm running full speed with scissors in hand. I love pointy things. Let's fall on the floor next to all of our needs. Let's lose inhibition. Let's fly like our dreams is reality. And real things ain't quite what they seem. Once you hold it, does it gleam? If it's green, is there a soul?
we're doing now, the better it's going to be. Cat with thumb.
Oh my days.
Pull it out. You like it, right? I was on the scale, wasn't it?
Nothing fits.
That was such a scare. I was in. Here's a nice little overlook tip for you and for, oh, no one can see me.
Go on.
It needs to be a little bit zoomed out.
Just pay attention to how you sat.
That's the meme, that's the joke. When you're measuring anything in between things where you've got to hold a tape measure or a ruler, best thing to do, don't put your end of your tape on your line, because you'll get a mismeasure.
Start on 10.
Start on 10 or any round numbers. Very simple tip. He knows. He knows. He's been watching me. See why he's my apprentice? Because he just knows everything already. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing the hang and a half.
Pop open it.
Basically, the videos are going to conjoin. Pull that out.